the headphones. Look, the headphones sit perfectly on there. Okay, I don't mean do that on purpose. Look, like that's just where the headphone. That's where my ears are, bro. No cap. Like I'm telling you, it's.
Chad, I don't know. It smells like eggs, like a rotten eggs, bro. It smells horrible. I don't know why.
뭐 하세요? What the? Look at those at the dodo bird.
Oh yeah.
Not that. He has a dodo bird with a hat on.